Did you know that Cadbury produces over 500 million cream eggs annually, with 200 million consumed in the UK alone? Today we're stepping into the famous Bournville factory in Birmingham, the birthplace of the iconic Cadbury Creme Egg. From liquid chocolate to the shiny foil-wrap treat in your hands, there's a secret behind every step of the production process. Hit that like button and subscribe to Produce Planet, and let's crack open the story of how these Easter favorites are made. The Cadbury Creme Egg has a story as sweet as its filling. Chocolate-filled eggs first appeared in 1923, but the cream egg we know today was created in 1963 under the name Fry's Creme Egg. By 1971, it became the Cadbury Creme Egg, and it has been a favorite ever since. Over the years, there have been some changes, like in 2015, when Cadbury switched from using dairy milk chocolate to a standard cocoa mix. This caused quite a disagreement, but the cream egg stayed as popular as ever. What makes it so special isn't just the taste, it's the incredible process of how it's made, perfected through decades of hard work and creativity. The Bournville factory in Birmingham, England, is where everything happens. This huge facility makes up to 1.5 million Cadbury Creme eggs every day during the busy times. The production runs on several lines, combining advanced machines, robots, and skilled workers. The factory uses high-tech equipment like vibrating molds, fondant injectors, and foil wrapping robots. These machines handle every step with amazing precision. From making the chocolate shell to sealing the two halves of the egg together, the journey of a Cadbury Creme Egg starts with its signature chocolate shell. This essential component is made from high-quality chocolate, crafted using sustainably sourced cocoa. The process begins in large industrial vats known as chocolate tempering machines. These machines precisely heat and cool the chocolate, a critical step that ensures the final product has the perfect snap, smooth texture, and glossy finish. Tempering is a science. Too much heat or cooling at the wrong moment, and the chocolate could turn grainy or dull. Once the chocolate is tempered, it flows into precision depositor machines, which pump the liquid chocolate into meticulously engineered half-egg molds. These molds, made of durable food-grade polycarbonate, are designed to maintain the exact shape of the cream egg while handling the heat and pressure of mass production. Each deposit is carefully measured to ensure that every egg meets Cadbury's strict standards for size and weight. From here, the molds are placed on vibrating platforms, which gently shake the liquid chocolate. This step is important for two reasons. It eliminates air bubbles that could weaken the shell and ensures the chocolate evenly coats the interior of the mold. The vibration step might seem small, but without it, the structural integrity of the egg could be compromised, leading to cracked shells during the latter stages. Once the chocolate is evenly distributed, the molds travel into a cooling tunnel, a state-of-the-art system designed to control temperature with precision. Inside the tunnel, cold air circulates at a constant 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit, solidifying the chocolate quickly but evenly. The cooling process is carefully timed. Too fast and the shell could crack, too slow and the chocolate may lose its silky texture and shiny appearance. Sensors monitor the temperature and air circulation throughout, ensuring every shell cools uniformly. Emerging from the cooling tunnel, the chocolate shells are still in their half-egg forms. At this stage, a demolding machine takes over, using gentle suction or mechanical arms to remove the solidified shells from their molds. This step must be precise, as even a slight misstep could damage the delicate chocolate. To ensure quality, the shells are visually inspected by an automated imaging system, which detects any imperfections like cracks or uneven edges. The Cadbury doesn't stop at just making a good-looking shell. To maintain the signature texture and taste of the cream egg, the chocolate undergoes micro-testing during production. Samples are checked for taste, consistency, and structural integrity before they proceed. This guarantees that every shell delivers the same indulgent experience consumers have come to expect. The gooey fondant filling is what makes a Cadbury Creme Egg so special. The process starts with a mix of sugar, glucose syrup, and invert sugar syrup. These ingredients are carefully measured and heated in large industrial kettles. The temperature is kept at just the right level, around 115 degrees Celsius, 239 degrees Fahrenheit, to dissolve the sugar completely and create a smooth, sticky syrup. Sensors in the kettles check the temperature constantly to ensure it stays consistent. Inside the kettles, mechanical stirrers keep the mixture moving. This stops sugar crystals from forming and helps achieve the creamy texture that makes the filling so delicious. Once the fondant is perfectly cooked, it's quickly cooled down using special cooling paddles. This step locks in the smooth texture without letting the sugar harden too fast. Next, the fondant is divided into two parts. One stays white to look like the egg white, the other is colored yellow to resemble the yolk. This is done by machines that separate and mix the fondant in different compartments. For the yellow part, natural food coloring like paprika extract is added and mixed evenly. The machines stir gently to avoid creating air bubbles, which could affect the filling's smooth texture. Once the fondant is ready, it's loaded into high-tech depositor machines. These machines are designed to inject just the right amount of filling into each chocolate shell. The process starts with the white, which is carefully placed in one half of the shell. Then the smaller nozzle adds a blob of yellow right in the middle, creating the yolk effect. The machines are incredibly precise, ensuring each egg looks and tastes perfect. The depositors use pistons to control the amount of fondant they release. These pistons are powerful enough to handle the thick filling without causing clogs or uneven filling. To keep the fondant at the right consistency, the machines are equipped with thermal jackets that maintain its temperature during the filling process. As the shells move along the conveyor belt, they're held securely in custom molds. This prevents them from shifting while the filling is added. Advanced cameras check each shell to make sure the fondant is perfectly placed. If something isn't right, the shell is automatically removed from the line. Throughout the process, operators keep a close eye on everything. They check samples regularly to ensure the filling's texture, color, and taste meet Cadbury's high standards. The two chocolate halves are then brought together using a book mold machine, an innovative piece of equipment that operates like a giant clam. Each half is placed on separate trays that align perfectly as the mold closes, fusing the chocolate shells together. The still warm chocolate acts as a natural adhesive, sealing the halves around the fondant filling. To ensure a seamless bond, the eggs are sent through another cooling tunnel where the chocolate fully hardens, creating a sturdy shell. This process is crucial as it prevents the eggs from cracking during packaging and transport. Before moving on to wrapping, every cream egg undergoes rigorous quality checks. Advanced laser scanners and X-ray machines are used to inspect the eggs for defects. These devices check for cracks in the shell, inconsistencies in the filling, and deviations in weight. Eggs that don't meet Cadbury's high standards are removed from the production line, ensuring only the best products make it to store shelves. Once the eggs pass quality control, they're ready to be wrapped. Robotic arms equipped with suction technology lift each egg and place it onto a conveyor belt, leading to the wrapping station. Here, high-speed foil wrapping machines envelop each egg in Cadbury's iconic colorful foil. The machine can wrap thousands of eggs per minute, ensuring the process keeps up with demand during peak Easter season. After wrapping, the eggs are placed into cartons or multi-packs ready for shipping. The packaging is designed to protect the eggs while also maintaining their appeal on store shelves, with bright colors that evoke the joy of Easter. Cadbury takes sustainability seriously. The cocoa used in cream eggs is sourced through the Cocoa Life program, which supports ethical farming practices and ensures fair wages for farmers. The Bournville factory itself is a leader in sustainable manufacturing, utilizing energy-efficient machinery and recycling waste products. For example, leftover chocolate is melted down and reused in future batches, minimizing waste. Even the foil used to wrap cream eggs is recyclable, part of Cadbury's commitment to reducing its environmental footprint. While the original cream egg is a fan favorite, Cadbury has experimented with numerous variations over the years. From the green yolk scream egg for Halloween to the decadent caramel egg, there's a version for every occasion. One particularly innovative creation is the Cream Egg McFlurry, a collaboration with McDonald's that combines the eggs filling with soft-serve ice cream. Cadbury Creme Eggs are a global phenomenon. While the UK is their largest market, they're also hugely popular in the US, Canada, and Australia. Interestingly, the size of the eggs varies by region. In the US, they weigh 34 grams, slightly smaller than the UK's 39 grams. Despite these differences, the love for cream eggs is universal, proving that some treats truly transcend borders. And there you have it, full journey of the Cadbury Creme Egg. from the carefully wrapped chocolate shell to the gooey filling we all love. So the next time you crack open a cream egg, remember the precision, creativity, and expertise that make every single one so special. And if you enjoyed this peek behind the factory doors, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more fascinating looks into how your favorite products are made.